Okay, open your language arts 400 books to page number 112. Okay, today we're going to take a second look at suffixes. Okay, if you remember, unit number 2, we had a lesson on using suffixes on page 80. Okay, who remembers what is a suffix? That's right, that is a suffix, okay? Now, a suffix is just a word that has special endings added to them. And when the endings are added to the words, it allows the words to be used in a different way, okay? In some cases, the words become plural. Okay? In other cases, the words just have an extra meaning added to them, okay? So in this lesson, we have a new list of words, and at the very top, in section 1, we have a list of the endings that you'll see, okay? We can use ER, OR, ENCE, ION, and MENT, ANT, ING, and INGS, okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to look at the words on this list, and then we're going to find out what the root words are, okay, the original words, without the extra added at the end, okay? So let's go ahead and start with baker. Ellis, can you tell us, what is a baker?
A person whose work is making bread and other fresh food.
Okay, very good. Do you know what the root word is of baker? Bake, very good. Okay, so the special ending for baker is just R, okay? Bake is just an action, it's something you do. Okay? You can bake cookies, you can bake muffins. When you add the R at the end, it changes the word. It allows it to be used to describe someone who's doing the action, okay? Second word, banker, Sally Sal's. Can you tell us about banker? Person who runs a bank. Good. And what is the root word of banker? Bank, yeah, it's bank. Okay, and what is a bank?
Money.
It's money. Okay, it's a place where people store money. Okay? It's a place that's used for safekeeping for money. Alright? And after banker, we have beginning. Stella. Start. What is the root word of beginning? Begin. Very good. And begin just means to start. Okay? Begin means to start. Let's go to circle. Circle goes to Jenny Jim's. A round line. Okay? And this word doesn't have special ending added to it, okay? But what can we add to circle to make it a plural word? What letter can we add to circle? If we want to describe two and not just one circle, S. Very good, we can add an S, okay, to make it a suffix. All right, next is difference. Let's go to Selena. Okay, very good. And what is the root word of difference? Different. Okay, let's see. Next, let's go to, back to Ellis. What's our next word?
Direction.
Yes, direction or direction. What is a direction?
Command or telling or to.
Okay, very good. And what is the root word of direction? Does anybody know?
Direct.
Yeah, direct. Okay, direct. Okay, let's move on to driver. Sally, tell us what a driver is. Yeah, very good. It's a person who drives. Okay? And what do you think the root word is of driver? Yeah, just drive. Okay, it's the action of driving. Okay, drive, to drive. Elevator. Stella. Something that lifts. Okay? Everyone knows what an elevator is. And what about excitement? Ginny, what is excitement? Commotion. Something that gets your energy levels up. Okay? What's the opposite of excitement? Yeah, it could be boring or bored. Okay? Very good. Next we have invention. Selena. Yeah, something new that you find and discover. And what do you think the root word is of invention? Invent. Okay, very good. Okay, to invent. Next we have ledge. Alice? Yeah, it's a shelf. Okay, ledge is a shelf. The book was on the ledge. Okay. What about nation? Sally. Group of people under one government. And what about questions? Stella. Yeah, something that is asked. Okay. And what about sailor? Ginny. Yep, that's a sailor. And what about savings? Selena. Money saved. Okay. And what do you think the root word is of savings? Save. Yeah, save. Okay, S-A-V-E. Servant. Tell us about servant, Ellis.
A person who works in a household.
Okay, very good. A person who works in a household. Okay. And what about statements? Sally. Yeah, the act of stating an announcement, okay? And the root word for statement is just state, okay? State. And what about teacher? What's a teacher? Yeah, a person who teaches or an instructor. What do you think the root word is of teacher? Teach. It is teach. And what about uncle? Yeah, brother. That's your uncle. Okay? And what about visitor? Okay, good. All right, so we've gone over this list of words. For our next class on Tuesday, study these words. We have a spelling test. Okay? Spelling test on Tuesday. Let's move to page 113. Okay, on page 113, we have to answer questions. You're going to write the words. You're going to write the root words. Okay? The words in questions 1 to 8. And also answer question 9, 10, and 11. When you're done, pencil down. If you have any questions, I can come around and